Hi, welcome to Alpha Motors here in Wigan. My name's Graham and today I've got the pleasure of showing you around this 68 registered Range Rover Velar. Now this is the R-Dynamic 180 SE, so it's an SE specification which is really next to the top of the range, so you get some very nice features both internally and externally. This is a one owner car, just done over 30,000 miles, and it's in absolutely gorgeous order. Now the car's finished in Fuji white and has the optional extra of the exterior black styling package, so all the dynamic features on the exterior of the vehicle are all in high gloss black finish. Now the wheels are the 20-inch upgrade alloy wheel, and they are also finished in powder coat black, so absolutely as new wheels. The car's just been through our detailing department and has had new discs and pads all the way around. Now the Fuji white paint has arguably got to be one of the best colours to buy a Velar in. It does show off all the accents of the black package when we start to look round it. So the R-Dynamic gets the body kit on the exterior, so the front bumper has this little lip spoiler. We then get the power blades in the front bumper, and then as we come down the sides we get the power blades in the sides and also black mirror caps. Now Dynamics have a very nice system, so you can change the sort of on the center computer system, just you can change the drivability of them, so the settings, etc. Pretty much standard throughout the R-Dynamic, but the exterior black package is really an extra which I would tick every time on any new car. So straight away we get the high gloss black finish on the Range Rover badge, we get the honeycomb grille in high gloss black, the signature lights have the black detailing, and then as I say the power blades, the front spoiler and also the side accents lower down then are all in high gloss black finish rather than grey. This vehicle is in as new order, there isn't a trolley dent down either side of this car. This one then has the factory option of privacy glass, and then as we come round the back then all the badges are in black. The lower trims of the vehicle are also in high gloss black, normally they're all silver, but a black package is a yes from me. Now when you look at this boot, it is huge. They share the boots in these, obviously Jaguar F-Paces, Velars, all the Range Rover product, very similar size boots. This one does have a space saver spare wheel as well, that's a nice factory option. Electric tailgate for ease of closing, but these are a wonderful SUV. Arguably I would suggest they are the best Land Rover Range Rover product. Very nice size car all the way around. I do have and had a couple of these myself. They will give you 35 miles to the gallon just pottering around doing the school run. On a motorway you can get up to just under 50 miles to the gallon. 70 miles an hour on cruise, they will quite easily return you well over 45 miles to the gallon. From a 2-litre diesel engine, 4-cylinder, 180 brake horse, that is wonderful. Now an SE model, I'll tell you what an SE has over an S. So as soon as you open the SE, you get this aluminium detail, you get the Meridian surround sound and behind these metal speakers, which I think is a lovely detail. SEs come with a memory driver's seat, a 3-way memory driver's seat, and then get power folding door mirrors as standard. The external door mirrors are also auto dimming. As we pop in the car then we get this lovely full black leather interior with contrast white stitching. Got to be arguably one of the nicest interiors on these. But the major thing on an SE is the digital cockpit, or the virtual cockpit as some people call it. So that's all. As I start the car, you've got R-Dynamic, all the clocks are digital rather than analog, and you can also have the interactive dashboard on this vehicle. So we'll just give it a service, an engine service. So there you go, there's your interactive. So you can have the sat nav up on the screen. The car's done 30,717 miles. SEs then, as I come down here, as I was suggesting, there is the comfort control package. So you can just go through all of those systems and have them on the screen. Dual screens on a Velar, so you can have a top screen and also a bottom screen. You can have the radio on this screen here. If I just press the center section, there's the radio. Heated seats, climate control, and then on the top section there, you can have your navigation as well. So I can have navigation there, touch it, it's all touch screen, and have a navigation there. I can have the phone up on the screen of the clocks, or I can have the phone on the screen of here. Straightforward. Obviously we've got the self-parking system if you want to use that, but as we come down throughout, then it's in wonderful order. Heated front windscreen as well, black detail throughout, leather trim multifunction steering wheel with cruise control and speed limiter. All the black detail is in as new order. Both keys are there as well. Don't forget, 2 keys. One of these keys now is about 350 quid. Expensive keys if they get lost. I don't smoke, and I can tell the last keeper hadn't smoked in this vehicle as well. So beautiful, beautiful order. A one owner car, having done 30,717 miles. As you can see there now, everything shuts down. Get the Land Rover screens, and the R-Dynamic appears there. Clocks disappear. In the rear then, we've got the privacy glass, nice option as well. And then the surround sound then works its way into the rear. SEs also have reclining rear seats electronically, so you can adjust the back of the seat for more boot space or reclining on a longer journey. Very limousine-like in here. As I say, I have one myself personally, my wife has one, and they are the best, in my opinion, SUV money can buy. Tell me where you get such a good looking car which gives you the same fuel efficiency as a small, medium-sized family hatchback in something that looks as good as that. I don't think you can. Residual values on Velars have always been super strong. Obviously during the pandemic, Land Rover reduced production of these vehicles to market, so they are in shortish supply. So black package, Fuji white, factory options, SE spec, interactive cockpit, one owner from new, 30,700 miles. So if you need a PCP quote on it, give us a call. We've got some fantastic residual values. They are wonderful cars to own and drive. You need any more information, want any more information about this car, we have a number of these in stock today. We've got white ones, grey ones, black ones, so various mileages, all low mileage, 18, 19s and 68 plates. All super cars, one owner, low mileage with lots of extras. Our Velars have got the best extras on the market today, let me tell you that. So thanks for watching the video, and I look forward to your inquiry.